CS Ogamba is not the only CS available CS with education. During the immediate former CS, or my brother Macho, were in office. Also that one happened. To my brother, what projections you president were Kenya. My brother Fred Matian, he has been a CS. Mwaka Professor Ngeri, he has been a cabinet minister. By then he did the constitution change, Baruku cabinet secretaries, Baruku ministers. We have Abuna Usingo Kobar. Oyo Gorokuonyo the late Sakar now at the Minister of Education. You go name them about see. Abantabucha in terms of performance, ya college Q1 just school is not even Ogamba to be blamed. Bonsi P. Abuna Nemi studied at the school during that time. On the time you orenge years or Konyatang Aranga Kararing office. Na direct via ringing on one and the boy studied because recently Jimia, your Urunjarengo, Kara brother Matian Yarengo, studied in Jaring school. You also say that, but it never worked. It never worked. Ihan Kenya, na very go. You don't blame one jack, go blame Muchuria Singer, Naneros Niru, go make policy making. It has been there. Haya. Again, whatever. In terms of capitation, the first year in session of this government, Kenya Kwanza, it tried to clear the capitation of each every term. I think the second year, not problem we have had. But I want to confirm na umwako yo chagede abarimu bagende school bakana capitation yatumye ne tamu ye na twaso yata abarimu baje school bakana capitation yatumye igo as much as we want to blame the government in atara korakende it has tried in terms of education. Number 3, in terms of that education, this is a new curriculum ba soa bakanyore curriculum inya etabuati ba come structures igo nto baita mono ngambara akora kende na ande bare come structures cha CPC egere bwenere. They have tried. Hana no mwana goteba. Ana goteba my brother James nga umo minister no yo minto. Ndura bakusi abatukaransa. Abakusi batanga kebengi abanyene. Ebi at the times nto roka nga tutagete ko moita mono na nto ko murwani. Ne na bantu bene sa simba bwata batebenga Julius gangire kuruso binde tuara gita abaguswa nga mwara gitaro bago tuaji koja kwanera ase behind the curtain tutaya kwana ase redia yani TV ga abantu bose batorigere no nyete kwane kusi abantu bene sa no bakubwate gente kenando baire igona mwana ko tebanga our brother CS Ogamba has tried. Why